So today I'm going to show you how to deposit on PayPal. Now we're actually here on our PayPal account in real time. You can see on the bottom left-hand side, the home icon is highlighted. Now there are a couple different ways you could actually go ahead and deposit on your PayPal account. We're going to click here in the center where we actually see it says PayPal balance, and you see $10.86. There's this huge box here. Click anywhere on this box. And this is going to take us over here where, again, it's going to show our PayPal balance. And there's this section over here that says add money. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now from here, it's going to automatically just toggle on to a dollar amount. You can click this little pencil to put in a specific amount, or you can go ahead and click on any of the other preset options. So let's click on this pencil. And for our example here today, let's go ahead and say we want to do $10. We're going to click on done here. And then it's going to ask you where you want to pull money from. We do have a card on file that gives us the access within seconds. But if we wanted to change that, click on the right-hand arrow, and it's going to show you all of the different options you have, as well as how much you can send within just seconds. Anything beyond that might take a little bit longer to transfer. If it doesn't say anything, it means you can essentially transfer as much as you'd like in real time. And if you needed to, you can actually go ahead and add a debit card or a bank account here in real time, so that way you can go ahead and draw from those. So for example, here today, we're going to leave it on the account that we chose. We're just going to click on that. It's going to drop that pop-up menu here for you and then show you the card on file. You can go ahead and click on add down here at the very bottom. And that is how you deposit on PayPal. Now there's more to show you on utilizing this app. So we actually got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.